Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is a Thursday, and date is 21st of March 2024. Welcome to all of you, those who know me, and those who don't know me. Let me introduce myself in a quick time. I'm a Copy's trading community member. I trade Forex. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. I'm an independent trader and analyst. But I'm using their platform to showcase my analysis here. These analysis will be exclusively about the technicals or the price action, you can say, but it has nothing to do with the fundamentals. And we know you. Thank you. Hello, Ali. Welcome to the stream. But for those who are new here, please let me elaborate 1 minute to them. Okay, I'll not take much of time. But before I start, I must tell you that whatever I am saying in this live stream is only for enhancing your information or knowledge. Please do your research before you put your money on the line, because I may not be held responsible, or Dukas Copy may not be held responsible. This is important for me to say here, although I know by all means you can use it, but I am supposed to tell you that there is live money on the line, so be careful about that. So before I begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer also, because you should know what are the risks involved when you trade the Forex. These are small 4 paragraphs. Please go through them if you are new, and if you're not new, then it's not for you. Okay, so let's go through the charts. First things first. Now, I think yesterday there was a big news. Maybe FOMC decisions were pending and they have been taken. Now it looks like there was a gap down opening today. What is the reason behind this? I'm not aware. I don't know the reason, but price action is suggesting, at least to me, let me refresh, something has just happened here. The gap down opening, is it a gap down opening from day to day? You see that 1 2 3 4, so it's like 16 hours before. So something has just happened here. It opened up lower, then it started being bought, and as the price is rising, the interest is also rising, or the volumes are rising. So were these wrong? Were these sellers wrong who sold it here? So what is it here? What is happening? Somebody sold off the US dollar very strongly and even pushed it below the last low on the 4-hour at least. Now the price is trying to go higher. It is very close to these recent highs that the price had made, but also it is trading at these lows. This is a very good, very relevant area from where you can expect selling to start. You see these highs and these lows and these lows and this high particular one and these lows, so they are lining up. So this area where the price is trading right now, 103.69 and 103.70, this happens to be of great interest, and that's why I'm saying there is now a probability for the price to return from here to the downside. See, I could have said that the price can go here, no, but no. Why I'm not saying so? Because right now on the 4-hour, the price structure has changed. Those big candles are called manipulation by bigger institute. Manipulation by bigger institutes. I think you have been following ICT for some time. Yes, Ali? Manipulation. Yes, you can call it manipulation, or you can just say that somebody has opened big orders. It can be even small traders, and many small traders together, they must have opened something has come here. Okay, something has come. You can call it an impulse of movement, you can call it a avalanche, or you can call it a bulk orders, something of that, although it happened over the period of 4 hours. If I go to 1 hour, you can pinpoint it when it happened. You see here. Then if you go to 15 minutes, you can pinpoint even further at what 15 minutes it happened. It must have happened within 5 minutes, as far as I remember. If I don't remember, but as far as I understand this market, this all thing must have happened within 1 2 3 or 5 minutes. This is how it happens. Okay, so this is the candle that we are looking for. 5 minute. Okay, something like this. Yeah, this is what you can call as impulse. Now how the price goes, generally downside price goes like this. This is the previous low. The price tends to go to the previous low and then go and make a new low. Then it again tries to go to previous low, and then when you create the horizontal levels, you understand them as the support and the resistance level. And this is why previous support tends to act as a new resistance. Previous support tends to act as a new resistance. But this is the textbook, right? This is the ideal world. But in actual, the world is not so ideal. It doesn't move like this. Therefore, here when the price went lower, I said this is a possibility that this will be a good resistance. It occurred to be a good resistance for some time, but thereafter this was broken and the price went higher. But the problem here is that with the market structure, now I will give you one more example of market structure here. If this is a downtrending downtrending market, then the price will still go down if it reverses from here. Why? Because it failed to go higher than the previous high. Till the time the previous high is not broken, we cannot buy this market. Okay, the previous high has to break. If it does not break, even if it extends from here to the upside, it doesn't matter. It has to break this level to the higher side, then only we can be looking for the buying opportunities. Okay, till the time it fails to break this high, we are only looking for the selling opportunities. Now coming back to this area here, you see that the price made a lower low and lower high, and then it made a lower low here, not here but here. Okay, now the price has gone here, although it is very much above from this previous low, but it is still lower than the previous high. Till the time the price does not break this high like this, we cannot be looking for the buying opportunities. So we are only looking for selling opportunities below this, and it will be very good opportunity if we are able to get this close to this level, because if we get it close to this level, we will have a good stop loss level higher than this, because this is a very good resistance. So we want our stop loss higher than this, and we can target the next level on the downside. Well, this is the same level on the downside, but the next level on the downside is this one. Because if the price is making lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, then it must make a lower low, and which is this one. Getting my point, Ali? I don't know if it follows triangles, patterns, or something else or not, but it always follows the market structure. The market always follows the market structure. All right. Now again the range has increased. So till now the price has not yes, it's a structure. Yeah. So right now the price is trying to rise, but I'm expecting it to break down from here again. If not today, then maybe tomorrow, because this channel is now intact. Okay, the channel has changed, and this uptrending channel now has also changed. Till yesterday this was the channel that is broken, but now since the price has gone inside the channel, so this is the channel now. So where is the resistance? The possible resistance is 104.26, which is also the market structure swing low, sorry, swing high. Because if this breaks, then price will not be in a downswing, it will be converted into an upswing. I think a lot of information on this one. Now support here should be a dynamic in nature, which will be given by this channel. The resistance will be provided by this channel, which is also dynamic in nature, and the horizontal level of resistance is 104.26, the support being here 102.31. This level of 103.21 and 102.57, they should also be providing some support to the price while coming down. Talking about the Great Britain pound, well, the price is again within the channel, but the channel has increased. Okay, so we were actually expecting the price to go out of it to buy this market, but suddenly the price has come again down. So we are still looking for the buying opportunities. Okay, the market structure is intact and it will be intact till the time the price is trading above 1.2600. If it breaks below that, we may go and sell this market, but right now we are buying this market only. Okay, keep that in mind. What else? So where is the resistance again? 1.2775 and 1.2894. These are the resistances on the upside. On the downside, we have horizontal support at 1.2600, which I'm not expecting to come, because before that this trend line will come into play and this will be dynamic support. If the price goes here today, then it will be around 1.2603. Tomorrow it will be okay, next week. Tomorrow it will be around 1.2607 and it will keep increasing with the time. So keep a note that there is a very good support around 1.2600, the resistance being around 1.2894, and in between there is a small resistance around 1.2775. That's it. Now every other case is similar. Whereas the pound has seen the lower low than yesterday, the euro has not seen lower low than yesterday. That means euro is bullish, more bullish than the pound. This is just an inference from here, nothing serious about it. Yes, it also has resistance at around 1.0897 now, and then next after is 1.0981. On the downside, it has a support around 1.0795. The dynamic support may be given by this falling channel. Australian dollar is even higher than the others. So you can say the pound is the bearish of these three pairs, most bearish, and I think Australian dollar is holding the gains here. So expect Australian dollar to rise further to the upside around 0.6668 maybe very soon. Okay, this may only be seen as a pullback. The resistance first being 0.6668, second is 0.6748. On the downside, support is 0.6478. The dynamic support may be given by this rising trend line. New Zealand dollar, this is also a daily chart of the New Zealand dollar, has failed to go lower. I'm not actually trading this, but the market seems to go low from here. Why I'm telling you this? Because of this channel. If you make this channel, you will realize that this channel, after breaking down, has met the resistance and is giving us almost a bearish engulfing today. So tomorrow, if we see anything in trading lower than 1.6038, there is a possibility of the price going back to 0.5997 and 0.5940. But for that, the price has to break through this falling, this green candle's low. So in other case, I will say it like this: below 0.6025 only, there is a possibility of selling this market. USD CHF, we are bullish on this one. Let us have a pullback towards 0.8893 to buy this market with the target of 0.9113. Okay, till then, don't look for any selling up. This is not a selling market. First of all, bias is bullish now because the price has traded higher on the previous day, and now you should only be looking for the buying opportunities. But as close to 0.8893 you can buy, you should try to buy it close to that point, 0.8893, because your stop loss will come down below that and it will have a confluence of two supports, whereas your target should be 0.9113. What about the USD CAD? Well, this is a selling market. We were looking for a selling opportunity. The price went lower yesterday, but today, because of very bullish US dollar, it has again come inside the channel which we were thinking of breaking. So I think it may give you another opportunity to go short at the higher levels. But if not, then if the price breaks higher than 1.3614 or 1.3620, then we can be looking for the buying opportunity again in this market. USD JPY, the price went lower. There was a bearish engulfing at the resistance, but right now again the price is at 151.69, on the verge of breaking above 151.91, which is the resistance that we have made here. Anything above that will open up the way for the higher levels, 159.88. So let's see how the things unfold. It seems like it is like you see, this is sort of inverse of the hangman or hanging man. It is like gravestone doji. Okay, any if the price goes higher than this, then there is an inverse of avalanche. You can say that the snowball effect can come into play here. All those sellers who have sold the positions here, they must have stop losses higher than 151.91. If the price trades above 151.91, I'm expecting it to not to go to only 152, but I think it will go to 153 and 154 very fast from here. This is what I am expecting. Skyrocketing, you mean? So New Zealand CAD, we were expecting a down move, and this is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of down move. And there is a possibility of even going more. 0.8105 is what we are expecting in this one. But for that, the price has to trade below 0.8152, which is most likely, I am saying most likely, because the price closed the day below 38 RSI. That means it is doomed. Nobody's going to buy New Zealand dollar against the Canadian, so it has to go down to 0.8105 and maybe even further towards 0.8040. Right now, if it closes below 0.8188, then 8188 will start acting as a very good resistance in the future. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Talking about the Bitcoin, well, did we expect that the price will break out from here and then this level will start acting as a support? Yes. If not, then you can watch my previous webinars. We said that above 59,200, somewhere the price will start rising, and this is what has happened. It's a bullish engulfing. Don't expect the price to fall much from here. Expect the price to reach 73,833 very soon, very soon. All right, on this one, tomorrow, day after, or maybe next week, you will see the price rising above 73,000 very soon. So where is the resistance? 70,184, first level of resistance. Thereafter this one, and on the downside we have support around 59,200. Brent, very good pullback, very nice pullback. You can create a channel on this one. If you want to buy the Brent more, then you can keep this channel and make it to 4 hour. Maybe you will get another buying opportunity in this one very soon. All right, so something like this is possible here, but that has to happen. Yeah, that has to happen above 84.65. okay, if it trades below 84.65, do not look for a buying opportunity. Okay, what about gold? What is happening in gold? Is the triangle out? Yes. Now I don't know who is trading this market with me, but I think I told about this, that something is happening here, and if the price breaks from here, 22, I think 2260 is what we expected, right? So 2260, no, 2160, no, 2260, yes, 2260 is what we have expectation. Yeah, 2311. So all these things are open now. Let's check on the daily what is happening on the daily. So on the daily, you see that yesterday there was a breakout to the upside. Now it is an inside bar. Well, expect 2311 very soon in this market, very soon. Although the selling market has very high volumes, there is a possibility that the people have exited their positions, because when there is a consolidation, the volume should be actually lower than the breakout candle. Now the breakout candle has low volume, whereas the inside bar has higher volume. So I'm kind of confused here. Yes, I am confused. The volume should be lower. Now if the volumes are higher, that means somebody is trying to sell off the markets. Let's check on the 4 hours. Okay, so see, the buyers have less volumes yesterday, but the sellers have more volumes today. So I will be cautious on this one. Well, there is a possibility that a lot of money will come into this one to buy this market, but maybe the smart money has already started selling this market. Is it not possible? So I think I will not put my hands on this one now. So maybe I will be looking for a selling opportunity very soon. Let's see. Okay, Japan, finally a breakout above 40,566. Well, this is the all-time high for the Nikkei, so we don't have any words for this. On the higher levels, we have not plotted anything. But if it starts coming down for some reason, then 40,566 or 39,631, now they should be providing support to the market. Nothing else. Euro JPY, well, we were expecting a down move, but that did not happen. Did we say that something like this is happening? I think. Now the price has broken higher than 164.30, and now it is an inside bar today. So maybe 164.30 may act as a good support here. Yeah, this was the previous resistance. So if that happens, then you can plot it even higher to go higher around 169 point maybe 97. But if it starts falling from here, there are multiple things to give support to this. One is this horizontal level of 164.30. Second is this falling channel, which may also act as a support. Third is this rising channel, which will also be a good support to the price if the price falls to this level. So there are multiple supports now in the euro, and also see that the euro has not fallen as much as the pound has fallen against the US dollar. That means pound is weak and the euro is still stronger. So if euro is stronger, anything rises, then euro JPY will rise much more than others. Remember this. What about the pound against the Australian dollar? We were expecting the pound to rise here, but pound suddenly went bearish in front of US dollar, and the Australian dollar looking very good against US dollar. So that's why pound is even bearish now, Australian dollar even better. That's why GBP/AUD has broken to the downside. And I think even a break below 1.9184 will open up the way for all these 1.85908. But right now there is no selling opportunity in this one, whereas if you are looking for something like this, then yes, there is a breakdown, but from the two lines you cannot make sure. So wait for the price to come below 9184. If somebody is trading in this one, then look for a selling opportunity somewhere here. All right. Well, that's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, or we can just wrap up the session. All right, guys. I hope that you know about the support and the resistance level that are of interest in the coming hours and days. That is, tomorrow is Friday. Ali Ajwad is saying something. Please what? Yes, it's the market structure. Please what? Did you say something, Ali, that your message is not popping up? It is only saying please here. Is there anything that you want to say? Swiss interest rates has reduced today. Reduced today. So what? So what about that? USD CHF we have already covered. I have no expertise. How about CHF JPY? Okay. If you want to say a pair I can check, but I don't know nothing about the rates. Okay. CHF JPY we can see. All right. CHF JPY. Well, on the monthly, it is in an uptrend. Can we see the chart? Yes, we are seeing the chart. Are you not live? You should switch to live. All right, so this is weekly. In the weekly, it looks like the RSI is going down, 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 whereas the price is going up, up, up. So there is a bearish divergence in the RSI. This is one thing. And Well, this is very difficult. This is very, very difficult. The price has been going all making higher highs and higher lows. Okay. Then it makes a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Expect something like this. So 162.19 is, I think, exposed in this market. If not that, then these previous lows, first is this one here, the second is this one here, at least these are exposed. 166.81 and 165.63, these are exposed. If the price trades below 165.63, then 162.1. So you want to say that if the rate have changed, they are against the CHF and there is a possibility of a potential downturn from here. Yes, it is possible. Actually, it has already occurred on the 1 day. This has already started on 1 day, and I think people were aware when the price was hovering around here. People were aware that something is about to happen. That's why they started making lower lows, and then again they started selling the Swiss franc. You see that this has not happened in 1 day. People have sold their Swiss values in multiple days. And from here, boom, 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 boom. Then they got another chance, boom. All right. So I think somebody is just offloading the Swiss franc or selling the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. So Japanese yen is going to get stronger. That is what I think. And Swiss franc is going to get weak in the coming days. That is what I think. What do you see here? Well, I think that the price will go like this towards 162.19. And if I switch to weekly, then you can see that there is a possibility of price. There is much more possibility of the price to go down. And if I close this, then on the weekly, you can see this week closed much, much lower than these lows. Then it went higher. If the buyers would have been aggressive, they would have pushed it higher than the previous ones. But no, this week the buyers came up, but the sellers also jumped and they pushed the price back towards the close. And there is a possibility that tomorrow it will turn red, and day after, I mean at the end of the week, maybe there will be a bearish pin bar, suggesting that the next week may be even more bearish, more bearish, and more bearish. All right. From here, it looks like I'm cautious on the weekly and I'm looking for a selling opportunity. That's it. And from the daily also, it is the similar thing. From the 4 hour, it must be the similar thing. All right. So look for a selling opportunity for a very, very long term if you're looking for that. That's all, guys, from my side. If you are done. So like I was saying that please remember to risk only 1% or less of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Okay. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at same time, that is 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.